Welcome back to Stoic Men Tribe. Before we begin today's message, take a deep breath, because what you're about to hear might change the way you deal with women, relationships, and emotional conflict forever. My brothers, too many men today are lost in their feelings, reacting instead of thinking, chasing instead of leading, and breaking down instead of standing firm. And the truth is simple. A man who cannot control himself will always lose control of his relationships. That's why in today's video, we're diving deep into how to use Stoicism in dealing with women. Not to become cold, not to become distant, but to become strong, centered, and unchallengeable from within. If you've ever felt misunderstood, if you've ever argued, overreacted, or been pulled into emotional storms, if you've ever loved deeply but lost yourself in the process, then this message is for you. Stoicism teaches a man to return to his throne, to rule his emotions, to protect his peace, and to stay rooted like a mountain even when someone you love is shaking. And before we go any deeper, my brothers, if you're new here, welcome to the Stoic Men Tribe. Make sure you subscribe right now, like this video, comment your thoughts, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another life-changing message. Because this is a place where men rebuild themselves, where we rise through wisdom, discipline, and emotional mastery, where we learn not to argue with chaos, but to stay calm and in command, where we transform pain into power and confusion into clarity. Today's topic is powerful, emotional, and necessary. How to use Stoicism in dealing with women and relationships. How to stay grounded when emotions rise. How to respond like a king instead of reacting like a servant to impulse. How to lead with strength, calmness, and self-respect. Chapter 1. The Stoic Foundation. Control yourself. Control the relationship. A man who masters himself becomes a man no one can manipulate. Brothers, when it comes to dealing with women, the first rule of Stoicism is simple but powerful. Control what you can. Release what you cannot. Most men fail in relationships not because they are weak, but because they try to control the wrong things. They try to control what she feels, what she says, how she reacts, how she loves, how she argues, how she changes. But a Stoic man understands this truth. You cannot control a woman's emotions, but you can control your response to them. And your response is everything. Women naturally express emotions strongly. It's part of their design, their beauty, and their complexity. But if a man falls apart when she becomes emotional, she loses faith in his strength. When you become reactive, when you raise your voice, when you defend yourself emotionally, when you try to win the argument, you lose more than the argument. You lose your power. A Stoic man does the opposite. He listens, but he does not lose himself. He observes, but he does not absorb unnecessary chaos. He stays calm, steady, and grounded like a mountain during a storm. Because a woman doesn't truly test your words. She tests your emotional stability, not because she wants to hurt you, but because she wants to feel safe with you. And safety comes from a man who is unshaken. So brothers, Chapter 1 is about building the foundation. 1. Master your emotions before you attempt to understand hers. A woman cannot follow a man who cannot lead himself. 2. Practice pause before reaction. A 3-second pause can save a relationship and protect your dignity. 3. Never mirror her emotional intensity. Fire does not calm fire. The Stoic is water, cooling, steady, controlled. 4. Control your tone, your breath, your posture. Your presence should say, I am calm, I am in control, I am not moved. 5. Focus on action, not argument. Stoics do not debate emotions. They guide with clarity. When a woman becomes emotional, she's not always asking for logic. Often, she's asking, "Can you stay grounded even when I'm not?" And your calmness becomes her calmness. Your strength becomes her trust. Your stability becomes the anchor of the relationship. So remember this, Stoic Men Tribe. The first battlefield is always inside you. Win there, and you win everywhere else. Chapter 2. The Power of Silence. A Stoic man's greatest weapon. My brothers, if Chapter 1 was about mastering your emotions, then Chapter 2 is about mastering your response, especially your silence. Because here is the truth most men never learn. Silence is not weakness. Silence is power. Silence is control. A woman may raise her voice. She may speak from emotion. She may push, question, test, or challenge. But a Stoic man does not react like she does. He doesn't shout. He doesn't panic. He doesn't crumble. He observes. He understands this timeless principle. You don't have to respond to everything you feel, and she doesn't have to control how you respond. Most men think that arguing back makes them strong, but a man who argues emotionally loses the battle before it starts. Women are naturally more emotionally expressive. It's not bad, it's their nature. But a man's nature is to provide stability, not competition. And here's the secret. A man who stays calm when she is emotional becomes the rare man she respects. Silence creates mystery. Silence creates strength. Silence creates space for clarity. Silence forces emotional storms to pass. Women expect emotional reactions. They predict it. But when you surprise her with calmness, with patience, with thoughtful silence, she has nothing to fight, nothing to escalate, nothing to push against, because your silence is not emptiness. It is the presence of a man in full control of himself. 3 Stoic rules of silence. Every man must master one. Speak less, observe more. A man who talks too much reveals his weaknesses. A man who listens understands everything. Let her express. Let her talk. Let her release. Your job is not to battle her emotions. It is to stand firm while they pass. 2. Do not react to emotional traps. Sometimes, she may say things in the heat of the moment that aren't meant to be taken literally. They come from emotion, not intention. A reactive man takes everything personally. A Stoic man sees beyond the words and stays in control. 3. Respond only. When your mind is calm. A Stoic man never speaks from anger, never speaks from fear, never speaks from pressure. He speaks from clarity, because a man who can delay his reaction is a man who controls the outcome. Why silence works so powerfully in a man's favor. Because women are emotional, but they are also deeply intuitive. They feel energy more than logic. And a man who is calm, grounded, silent, steady, unshaken, becomes a man she trusts, even if she's upset. Your silence tells her, I am not your enemy. I will not fight you. I will not lower myself into emotional chaos. I am the calm in this storm. And brothers, a woman finds peace in a man who is peaceful within himself. This is the heart of Stoic masculinity. Speak only when speaking improves the situation. Otherwise, remain silent and remain powerful. In a world full of loud, reactive men, be the quiet, unshakable one. That is the man who leads. That is the man who earns respect. That is the man who wins in relationships. Chapter 3. Emotional discipline. The Stoic man's shield against manipulation, brothers. If silence is your weapon, then emotional discipline is your shield. Because here's the truth most men never want to admit. A man with no emotional discipline becomes easy to control, not only by women, but by the world, by society, by his own fears, by his own impulses. A Stoic man understands this with absolute clarity. He who controls his emotions controls his destiny. And when it comes to dealing with women in relationships, this becomes even more important. Why? Because women are emotional creatures by nature. They feel deeply, they express openly, and they react quickly. This is not a flaw, it's part of their beauty. But it becomes a problem for men who haven't trained themselves. Because when you allow your emotions to run wild, you say things you regret. You give away your power. You explain too much. You justify yourself unnecessarily. You try to win emotional arguments. You overreact to tests and pressure. And the moment you react emotionally, she realizes she can influence you more than you influence yourself. That is when respect begins to fade. That is when attraction weakens. That is when the relationship shifts out of your control. Stoic principle: respond from logic, not emotion. Emotional men argue. Stoic men analyze. Emotional men chase validation. Stoic men stand firm in self-respect. Emotional men try to fix everything immediately. Stoic men understand timing, patience, and calm decision-making. When a woman is emotional, she doesn't need you to mirror her. She needs you to lead her back to stability. You cannot do that if you are drowning in your own emotions. Your calmness becomes her anchor. Your logic becomes her direction. Your discipline becomes her safety. 3 ways women test men. Emotionally, and how Stoics win every time. 1. She tests your confidence. A woman may challenge your opinion, your plan, your decisions. Not because she wants control, but because she wants to see if you believe in yourself. A Stoic man does not bend. He explains calmly and stands his ground. 2. She tests your emotional stability. She may react strongly, become upset, or express frustration. She is not looking for a fight. She is looking for a leader who remains calm. The Stoic man breathes, listens, observes, and responds with clarity. Chapter 4. Boundaries. The Stoic man's lines that cannot be crossed. Brothers. If emotional discipline is your shield, then boundaries are your fortress. A Stoic man understands something most men ignore. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. Too many men lose themselves in relationships because they fear losing the woman. They stay silent when they should speak. They allow disrespect because they want peace. They bend their standards because they fear being alone. But here is the hard truth. A man who abandons his boundaries loses his respect, and once respect is gone, everything falls apart. Women are naturally drawn to strength. They admire men who stand firm. They trust men who protect their standards. They follow men who refuse to be moved by emotional pressure. A woman may test your boundaries not to break you, but to see if you are strong enough to protect yourself. Because if you cannot protect yourself, how can you protect her? A Stoic man's boundaries are non-negotiable. A Stoic man is not controlling. He is not demanding. He is not aggressive. But he is clear. A woman knows exactly what he stands for and what he will not accept. 1. He does not accept disrespect. Not yelling, not insults, not belittling, not manipulation. He simply says, "Stop. That is not acceptable. We will continue this conversation respectfully. Not with anger, not with fear, but with calm, iron certainty." 2. He does not chase attention. A Stoic man does not beg for love, validation, or approval. He does not collapse emotionally when she pulls away. He knows his worth and stands firm in it. A king does not chase. He chooses. 3. He does not overextend himself. He does not carry the entire relationship alone. He does not give everything while receiving nothing. He understands reciprocity. He gives love, effort, time, but only where it is returned. Anything else is self-betrayal. 4. He walks away when necessary. A Stoic man is patient, understanding, grounded, but he is not afraid to leave when boundaries are repeatedly crossed. Not as punishment, not as manipulation, but as self-respect. A man who values himself is never afraid of losing someone who does not value him. Walking away is not weakness, it is the ultimate declaration of strength. Why boundaries work in a man's favor? Because boundaries create respect, attraction, order, stability, clarity. Women feel safe with a man who has boundaries because boundaries reveal self-control, and a man with self-control is a man who can lead. When she sees that, you don't break under pressure, you don't bend your principles, you don't sacrifice your dignity, you don't allow yourself to be mistreated. She realizes something powerful. This man is solid. This man cannot be moved. This man is worth respecting. And respect is the foundation of all healthy relationships. Women do not stay with the man who has the most money, looks, or charm. They stay with the man who respects himself. Boundaries protect your peace. Boundaries protect your dignity. Boundaries protect your masculinity. A man with boundaries becomes rare. A man with boundaries becomes respected. A man with boundaries becomes unforgettable. Chapter 5. The power of presence. Brothers. A Stoic man leads without shouting, begging, or proving. He leads through presence, the quiet strength that a woman can feel the moment you enter the room. Your presence is built on 3 things. 1. Self-certainty. Know who you are, what you want, and where you're going. A woman trusts a man who trusts himself. 2. Calm energy. When she gets emotional, you stay grounded. Not cold, just steady. Your calmness becomes her stability. 3. Consistency. Say less, do more. Women trust actions, not promises. A strong presence makes her feel safe, respected, and drawn toward you. No force, no drama. Just a man who is centered, confident, and in control of himself. Because a woman doesn't fall in love with your words. She falls in love with your energy. Be the calm, be the strength. Be the man she can lean on. Ending message, short version. Brothers of the Stoic Men Tribe, if this message helped you grow stronger as a man, subscribe to Stoic Men Tribe. Like this video, comment below. Share this message. Turn on the notification bell. Stay disciplined. Stay calm. Stay stoic.